How's it going, guys? Just want to make a quick video on the Billetworkz short shifter for the WRX. Pretty excited for this because literally the only option we have is Boomba, and I heard a lot of mixed reviews on Boomba, so I was actually gonna pull the trigger on a Boomba short shifter, but literally I went searching the web and I found that Billetworkz dropped a short shifter for the WRX. Like literally a couple weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago maybe. So I had to pull the trigger. I just want to do a little unboxing and then let me know if you guys want an install or a review on it later. But yeah, I went with the gloss black. They have blue, matte black, red, silver. Once again, Billetworkz. But yeah, I'm gonna do a little unboxing right here. See if I could box it with one hand. Got this titanium butter knife. But yeah, I'm probably just gonna open it real quick and then let you guys know. Alright, I cut the tape and I just opened it a little bit to make it a little easier on myself. I haven't looked at it yet. This first look right here. Oh yeah, that's tough. It's their symbol right there, the logo. A little card right here. Follow them on Facebook, their Instagram, their YouTube. Yeah, I saw they have a instruction video how to install it. Yes, you know you love stickers. Probably put this on the car. Got 2 stickers, Billetworkz, and the short shifter. Wow, that looks amazing. I went with the gloss black, like I said before. I just wanted something subtle, you know. I'm gonna take this out the box real quick. Wow, this thing is nice. It's nice and heavy too. The work on it. Just in case you guys were interested in the gloss black, this is how it looks. See if the reverse. Oh, there you go. Oh, it's smooth. I'm so excited for this, guys. You know, I have the STI short shifter from factory in my car, and honestly, it feels no different from my other friend's WRX, the stock one. Literally, it's not worth it. If you're thinking about getting the STI short shifter, just don't save yourself the money and time and go ahead and go with this one. I haven't installed it yet, but I already know. I believe it's like 35% shorter than the STI one. Don't quote me on that. It's on their website at billetworkz.com, I believe. And yeah, guys, I'm excited to install this. Once I install it, unless you guys want to see an install video, just let me know in the comments down below. If not, I'll just install it and I'll give a review. And I'm gonna do like a before and after from the STI one I got now, the short shifter, and the Billetworkz. Yeah, I'm super excited. Just look at this. The packaging is nice too. You always gotta appreciate nice packaging. There's the logo right there. Definitely putting on this car. Definitely putting this on the car, like I said before. But yeah, that's it. I just wanted to unbox it. I believe there's no videos on this short shifter yet. Like I said, this is a brand new product. I believe the actual company just has a couple videos on it. But yeah, I haven't seen no videos on this yet. So I just received it today too. So yeah, guys, just let me know in the comments, and thank you for watching.